There is a new invest out in the Atlantic, but this one is from a cluster of storms that currently the Hurricane Center only tagging with a low % chance of developing. But what does make it interesting is that there are some models that does organize it maybe as a name storm. Next name up, because we still have the remnants of Gordon, would be Helene. After that is Isaac. So we might be looking at kind of a battle as to which one of these does try and form faster. As mentioning, this one, at least based on some of the model trend, may not really be doing anything until Tuesday or Wednesday with regards to even becoming a named storm. And even that, again, all options on the table. It's possible nothing even forms. What we're watching is just an area of convection thunderstorms all across Central America. And the question is, which one of these, if any, is able to organize? What the models have been sniffing out is something being drawn northward and finally becoming a little bit more of a hospitable environment for organization, though the models are split as to what happens. Now, these are not the ensembles. If you go online, and we've been sharing these images, the ensembles are all over the place. But with these two models, Euro kind of has a broad surface low with just rainfall, and the GFS a much stronger system a week from today. We will see if those change. What the models are picking up on is this. We've got this broad upper trough that extends from the east coast down toward the Yucatan. And on the southeastern corner of it is where we could get a little bit of a broad spin in the mid-levels. As that little feature kind of works in at the surface, this becomes a little bit more hospitable for something to try and form. And that is what the computers have been sniffing out. That gets drawn northward, and then, as I've said, all options on the table as to what happens after that. Questions that we're going to need answered and probably won't happen until mid next week. What exactly is the structure like? Where does it enter the Gulf? And when does it enter the Gulf? Because that will be key with what the current steering currents are like at that time. That would determine where the storm would go after that. Again, we've got time to watch it. Nothing happening this weekend. We're going to stay under clear skies. Temperatures at the moment generally 70s and low 80s. Fortunately, we couldn't get into really dry air, less muggy air with dew point 60s and 70s during the day. But as we wrap up summer and head into spring, head into fall, high temperatures. I'm just jumping ahead. We'll be done with hurricane season. We're staying in the low 90s.
Spring, my goodness. All right.
I'm sorry?
I know. All right, thank you, Chris.